depth of knowledge that's going to be required to adequately diagnose these vehicles, and to make sure that when they diagnose them accurately, because the cost of the components in these vehicles are very high. Putting an incorrect component in is no longer a $50 mistake. It can be a $7,000, $8,000 mistake. So we feel that the class has to be a standalone to get the depth knowledge, and what we're adding in is actually going to be a 2-credit class, and that one will be a lab and lecture combination, so they will have a significant amount of hands-on time to get more familiar with the high voltage systems, the new advanced test equipment that'll be used, and they'll be scratching the surface with that, and then we'll be running more advanced classes again where they can come back, most likely as continuing ed type classes, where they can come in and get more advanced training after they get out and get some more experience on them. We have had a little bit of difficulty in getting the experienced technicians to really buy into this. I think a lot of it is fear of going back to school, and some of it is denial that the industry is actually heading that direction. The denial will obviously end up going away as the industry continues to turn that direction, whether they like it or not. The only concern is by that time some of them may be so far behind that it will be really hard to catch up. So what have we had for challenges to implementing this training? Well, one of the big ones that we found when we started was the depth and accuracy of training available for our instructors. I personally attended numerous hybrid classes all across the country and very quickly found out that for $14.95 from GoDaddy or one of the other web hosting sites, you can instantly become an expert on hybrid vehicle technology and become a train-the-trainer. It is not anything that really has much backing to it, because there aren't really many people out with a lot of experience to realize that some of the things that are being taught are not only not accurate, but they could actually be dangerous. So we had to do a lot of research to find some what we considered high quality, very in-depth instruction, and nothing against the OEM training, but they do not get